Good evening, everyone. This is your East Coast Weather Authority meteorologist Alexander Bielfa, and here's a look at the tropics right now. Dry coming off of Africa. Here's what's left of Joyce. Isaac right over here, the remnants of that. Not expected to develop as it goes into the Gulf of Mexico. A little interesting though, is, as Florence, what's left of Florence actually moves off into the Atlantic. A little tropical development is actually likely to happen. No threat to land, but we could see a little bit of a spin up as Florence moves back offshore. As we've spoken before, expect some more tropical activity as we head into the month of October, especially in the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico. Climatologically, that is the prime area during that time of the year. And it wouldn't shock me if we see Sandy S storm as our pattern looks to flip. And if we can get a storm to develop here and move north, we could have it get sucked up into the trough. Here's that little thing, that tropical disturbance from Florence. Nothing major expected to come out of that. But we have been talking about the tropics beginning to heat up again as we head into October. Another thing that's interested me though is off the California coast. Water temperatures are very, very warm for this time of the year. So it would not be surprising to see some tropical development and threaten the California coast. It's happened before, it's not like it hasn't. Another thing is this really persistent northeast ridge that we have been under basically throughout this whole entire month. We're going to continue to be under this whole entire month until our pattern flips in the beginning of October. Notice though that we're not going to get too cool in the southeast. We're just going to return back to normal. But in the center of the country, we're going to get really cool, and there is a threat for some snow, early season snowflakes in the Dakotas, definitely in the Rocky Mountains, as we head into October. And we've preached these a lot. Reanalysis data, we've used 2002 as we showed you back in August when we expected the northeast ridge to be persistent. We said watch out for some tropical development and to threaten the U.S., and we saw it with Florence. But here's what happened in 2002. So you notice the trough in the central part of the U.S. So expecting cooler temperatures in the central, back down to normal, cooler northern parts of the northeast, and back to normal in the southeast. And here's a look for T-max, your max high temperature. Look at that. Cool in the central part of the U.S. This was for the year 2000 for October, and notice that parts of the northeast are as well as cool. That's it for now, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night.